Yo, what is good, guys? Today I'm building a $150 custom keyboard. Let's go. To make sure everything connects to my Mac, I'll be using this USB-C adapter which I got off Amazon. For the mouse, I'm using this TMKV mouse which I got off Amazon. It's not that expensive, but I just got it because anything's better than a stupid Apple mouse. To make the keyboard sound nice, I got a sound deepener kit off Amazon. For the switches, of course, I chose the V3 cream blue switches. They're the best sounding switches ever. For the keycaps, I got some white jade keycaps off Amazon. They look really nice. Also for the keyboard, I got the Raw Clutch 61 off Amazon. I got this keyboard because apparently it's the best starter's keyboard for modding, so yeah. Also, unboxing this was a very pleasant experience. It came with extra stuff, some wires and everything I needed. To start things off, I put the keyboard upside down and started unscrewing the screws. Then separated the base and the board. Now it was time to take off all the keycaps. This took me a while. Right, so I finally taken all the keycaps off. It's taken forever. Right, now I need to take off all the switches. So, wish me luck. Right, so I've finally taken off all the switches and keycaps. So now let's move them to the side and add the sound deepener. Only here did I realise that Raw Clutch already came with foam inside, so I didn't need any of that. I only needed these foam stuff here. Now I just had to unbox these switches. Alright, so as for the sound deepener, instead of just putting them on like that, because it's too hard, I'll put it on the bottom of the switches and then I'm going to put the switches on top. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Finally, after about an hour of adding these things onto the bottom switches and putting them on the board, it's finally done. As you can see though, I ran out of V3 cream blue switches, so I had to use the switches it came with. But yeah, I don't mind because I barely use these buttons anyway. But now we need to add the keycaps on and assemble everything back together, so let's do it. Also, I just got some masking tape. I'm gonna masking tape all this on the back, so I'll be back. Right, so I've just tape modded the whole thing. I've made the holes for the screws and now I just need to put it back on this. Alright, I've screwed the base in. Alright, boom, I've just screwed it in. Now, let's add the keycaps. Alright, so finally, after ages, I've added everything back together. Oh, it sounds so nice, but I'll do sound reveal at the end, so keep watching. So all these are spare keycaps. There's some switches on the floor below me. But now let's plug it in and actually see if it works. Right, so as you probably know, this is a Mac right here. So I bought this, so this should connect that into a USB, like that thing over there, so it can plug into the back of this. Let's see if this works. Now for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! As you know, the last thing in the setup is the mouse, so let's get it unboxed. Right, so after unboxing the mouse, I've plugged it into my PC over there. So let's see, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Alright guys, so, well, I ordered a mouse pad, but it couldn't get released, so I'm kind of having to use this notebook. So today is day 2. The mouse pad has finally arrived. I got it off Amazon. So let's get this unboxed. Right, so for those wondering, well, it's quite obvious, but it's a white topographic mouse pad. It suits well with all the rainbow features as well. It looks sick. So yeah, that's the end of the video, but I haven't forgotten the keyboard sound test. Let's go. overall, I'm very happy with how this setup turned out. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next. Let's go.